Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B. Today I am doing a 3D French nail using some pink colors. So I'm starting off dehydrating my nail, priming my nail twice. Then I applied some base gel, cured for 30 seconds, and now I'm coming in with my polygel. I will make sure that I link everything in the description box, but this was a fun challenge. It was very time consuming, but I definitely will be doing this look again. And next time I'm going to be trying all different colors. This was really fun. Y'all know I like to try new stuff. So I'm not going to talk y'all to death. I'm going to let you guys watch. I will make sure that I put everything in the description box, but make sure that you subscribe. And I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 1K. So be looking out for that. So turn on your post notifications. But I'll shut up now, let y'all watch the video, and if you have any questions, just comment below. See y'all on my next video. Mila B out.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.